Okay, so in the earlier workshop also, we worked on playing with numbers and today we will work on numbers, okay? Numbers के साथ हमें normally कुछ questions हैं और उनके साथ हम देखेंगे कि हम क्या क्या problem solve कर सकते हैं. Suppose this is our first problem. I am starting with the first problem, everyone. Are you all ready?
Get ready. I think everyone can go on mute. That would be better. So
Yeah.
that, you're able to hear Simran ma'am clearly. Everyone can be on mute. If you want to say anything, you can type it in the chat box. Neil, you can put yourself on mute, please.
Okay, so let's start with the first question. In the first question, there is a perimeter of a square. Okay, I am the perimeter of a square with sides that are 2 inches long. I am an even number. Who am I? So here you have to guess the number. The first problem is this is the perimeter of a square. So do you all remember we did area and perimeter in the last workshop? You had to find the perimeters of rectangles and squares. What how do we find the perimeters? Any idea? Anyone?
We add.
Ma'am, we multiply.
Okay, so we add also and we can multiply also. The easiest way is, suppose I have a square with me. They have given that we have a square. So let's say this is a square and its sides are 2 inches. Okay, every side is 2 inches long. So can you find the perimeter of this square? What will be the perimeter of this square?
Ma'am, 16, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth is saying it's 16.
Anyone else? With the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides.
Ma'am, 8.
Yes.
8.
8.
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
Right. The perimeter is 8 because when we have to find the perimeter, we just add all the sides given. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. And they said it's an even number. So what do you think? 8 is an even number or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 8 is an even number. That means the number was 8 here. Is it clear? The first question? Yes. Let's move to the next question. Next question, please listen to me very carefully. So it is, I am divisible by 3. The first point is the number is divisible by 3. It is an even number. I am the missing number in 48 divided by x equals to 8. What do you mean by this x? Who will tell me what is this x?
Ma'am, the x is 6, ma'am.
X is 6. Okay, Siddharth is saying x is 6. Anyone else? What do you mean by this x? Okay, Achyut?
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay, Achyut is also saying 6.
Ma'am, may I tell how?
Yes, please, Achyut.
Ma'am, when we'll divide 48 divided by, when we will do 48 divided
6.
by 8, it will be 6.
Okay, so let me tell you how do we do it. It's 48 by 6. 48 by x is equal to 8. That means you have to find which number is divided by 48 that we got 8 as the answer. We have to divide this 48 with a number so that we get 8 as the answer. Okay, so they said it's divisible by 3 also. It is an even number also, and we have to find the missing number here. So if we divide 48 with 8, we will get 6, and 6 is divisible by 3 also, right? 6 is divisible by 3. 6 comes in the table of 3, and it's an even number also. So here the answer will be 6. Here the answer is 6. In the first one we got 8. Now I will read third question for every one of you. I am 43 less than 50. I am 43 less than 50. I am one more than the number of sides on a hexagon. Who am I? So we have a hexagon here, and they are saying that this is one more than the number of sides of a hexagon, and I am 43 less than 50. Okay, we are getting some answers here. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, so everyone is saying 7. Who will explain why is this 7?
Ma'am, because he is saying that number 50, it is 43 less than that of 50. So if we subtract it, we'll get 7. And
Yes.
hexagon has 6 sides. So if he is saying that we have one more side. So that means 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's why the answer is 7, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Viraj, what do you think? Is Siddharth saying correct thing? Is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so this is correct. The answer here is 7. Now the last problem, I divide into 100 with no remainder. Okay, I divide with 100 into 100 with no remainder. I am 10,000 digits. 10,000 digits in this number. So first of all, we have to see what is this number. What is this number? What is this number? Who will tell me?
Yes, Achyut, you can say.
Yes, Achyut.
Ma'am, this is 4.
Ma'am, it's 4,575,231, ma'am.
Simran ma'am, you can write it in the Indian system with comma so that it's easier for them.
Okay, so this is Indian system of numbers here. Okay, so we have this number now. Now, can anyone tell me what is this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am?
Tell me.
Ma'am, it's 47 lakh.
Ma'am, 47,59,231.
31.
By 1.
Ma'am, 47 lakhs 59,231.
But we don't say and.
So it's 47,59,231, right? So this was the number given to us. Now we have to find the 10,000th digit. Which digit comes on 10,000's place?
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, 5.
5.
Ma'am, 5.
So what is its place value? What is its place value? Is it
10,000.
25 or is it 50,000?
50,000.
50,000.
Yes. So we have to find the digit which is on 10,000's place. So we had 5, and this means it is 50,000. And if you divide 50,000 with 100, there will be 0 remainder, right? If you divide this number with 100, you will get 0 as remainder. So that means here the answer is 50,000. Is there any doubt in these 4 questions? Anyone? Any doubt? Shall we move to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. Yes. Yes, Apurva ma'am.
Okay. So now we have solved 4 number riddles. This number riddle is exactly of the same type, but we have increased the difficulty level. Okay, so I'm going to read it out for all of you, and then we'll try to see which option is the correct one. Okay, listen to me carefully. If you are busy anywhere else, you can listen to this one carefully. I am going to start. I have 4 hints here. I am a 4-digit number. Okay, so that is the first hint. Let's see. Do we have all the 4-digit numbers? I am checking. 1 is not the 4-digit number, so I am already cutting it. Because it is not a 4-digit number, that means this disqualifies our hint. Okay, the first hint was I am a 4-digit number. तो 3-digit वाला number तो आंसर नहीं हो सकता. तो मैंने उसको already cut कर दिया, rule out कर दिया. ठीक है? I am less than 3500. That is the second hint. 3500 का मतलब क्या होगा? 3500, which is 3500. Okay, 3500 से less है हमारा number. Let's see which all numbers are less. 2700, 2768, it is less, so it is going to stay. 2475, this is also going to stay. 3785, it is bigger than 3500, so I'm putting a cross on it. Let's come to the next number. 3624, I'm again putting a cross because it is bigger than 3500. 1907, it is less than 3500, so it stays. It can be one of the answers. 3301, it is also one of the options. It is going to stay because it is less than 3500. 2643, this is also less than 3500, so it will also stay. Okay, let's come to third hint now. The total of all my digits is greater than 15. That means if we add all the 4 digits of that number, the sum of the 4 digits will be greater than 15. I'm going to do it for one number. You have to try it for all the other numbers. Okay, I'm going to do it for this number, 2768. I am adding all the 4 digits. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 is greater than 15. That means this can be one of the correct answers because sum of the digits is greater than 15. Okay, let's come to the next one. 2475. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. It is also greater than 15, so this will also stay. Let's come to the next one. 1907. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. This is also greater than 15, so this will also stay. 3301. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is less than 15. मतलब ये option cut हो गया है. 2643. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 is not greater than 15. So this is also going out. Now there are 3 options left. ठीक है, जो 3 circle के options सिर्फ वो बचे हैं. Let's come to the fourth hint now. My 100th digit is 2 more than my 1st digit. ठीक है, मतलब 100th place पर जो digit है वो 10th 1st place वाली digit से 2 more है. ठीक है, अब हम चेक करते हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर में आते हैं 2768. ठीक है, 8 है हमारा 1st digit, 7 है हमारा 100th digit. ठीक है, तो 7 8 से तो 2 times बड़ा नहीं है, +2 नहीं है, तो ये ऑप्शन कट हो गया. लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. 2475. 4 5 से बड़ा नहीं है, कट. लेट्स कम टू द लास्ट ऑप्शन. 1907. 9 is 2 plus 7. That means this is the correct answer. Okay, now some people had already answered that in the chat box. Their answers are absolutely correct. I was explaining for all those who were trying to understand.
I can't understand the last thing.
You can't understand the last thing. Okay, Tanishka, I will explain it to you again. Okay, let me clear it. Yes, तनिष्का, the last hint was हमारे पास कुछ ऑप्शंस बचे थे. ये हमारा ऑप्शन बचा हुआ था, ये ऑप्शन बचा हुआ था. ठीक है, और एक और ऑप्शन था. ठीक है, हमारे पास क्या क्वेश्चन था? माई 100th digit is 2 more than my 1st digit. ठीक है, मतलब 100th प्लेस पर जो डिजिट है वो 2 प्लस है हमारे 1st प्लेस वाले डिजिट से. ठीक है, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? 9 is 2 more than 7. तनिष्का, कैन आई से दैट? 9 is 7 plus 2. Can I say that? Can I say that? तो आंसर आ गया 1907. Got it? Okay. Can everyone, Simran ma'am, can you bring the next question? Can everyone try to do this question on their own? Can everyone try? I am not going to explain it for 2 minutes. Okay, try to read the hints, try to understand the question. 8 options are there for you. You try to solve this and write your answer in the chat box. If you know your answer, if you have found the answer, type it in the chat box. Let's see after 2 minutes who is able to do it. Otherwise, I'll explain. You have 1 minute to complete it, to solve the answer and write it in the chat box. Otherwise, I will explain. Don't worry. We have Neil's answer, which is 8095. I am not saying it's correct or not. We are going to find the correct answer only when everyone else has written their answer. Raika has given her answer to be 8095. Okay. Simrana, I hope I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, I can't understand the second clue.
You cannot understand the second clue. The second clue is I'm not a multiple of 5. That means I do not come in the table of 5. Okay, all the numbers which come in the skip counts of 5 either end with 5 or 0. So that means this number is not going to end with 5 or 0. So Raika and Neil, your answer is not correct because your answer is ending with 5.
Ma'am, can
Tanvi
you
says,
the fourth line?
yes, Tanvi says the answer is 8207. Tanvi, we will find out. Okay, if you round me to the nearest 10, I'm going to explain the question now. Okay, all those who haven't understood, please listen to me carefully. First hint is I am greater than 4500. Okay, let's see all the numbers which are greater than 4500 and I'm going to put a cross on the other ones. 906 is not greater than 4500, cutting it. 2167 is not greater than 4500. I'm going to put a cross here. All the other numbers are greater than 4500. First hint understood? Everyone got the first hint? I'm putting a tick. I am not a multiple of 5. That means when I do skip counts of 5, all the numbers end with either 5 or 0. And this hint says I am not a multiple of 5. That means this number will not end with 5 or 0. So I'm going to cut all those numbers which end with 5 or 0. Okay, 2 more numbers cut. Now we have 4 options from which we will find the correct answer. My nearest 1000 is 8000. That means I'm closest to 8000. 6172 is not closest to 8000. It's close to 6000. Cutting it. 8916 is not close to 8000. It is closer to 9000. So cutting it again. 73 is closer to 8000. So this stays. 8207 is closer to 8000. So this also stays. Now we have to choose from 2 options. If you round me to nearest 10, then I round down. Now what does this mean? That means when I round this number to nearest 10, it will go to the first benchmark number. Okay, not to the upper side but to the lower side. Okay, I'm going to try it with 8207. When I round off 8207, this round downs to 210. Okay, and when I round this number 7773, then this number round downs to 8000. This number is rounding up. This number is rounding down to 7770. 8207 is rounding up. So the correct answer is 7773. Is that understood? Now we had some answers in the chat box. Let's see.
Ma'am,
Okay.
no.
Who did not understand?
Tanishka.
Okay, Tanishka, did you understand the first 3 hints?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me explain the last hint again. Okay, so there were 2 options left after the third hint. 8207, 7,773. Okay, all those who have understood and who have got the answer can just wait for 1 minute. I have to explain it to Tanishka, then we move ahead. Okay. Now, Tanishka, from these two options, we have to see which option fits the fourth hint. Okay, if you round me to the nearest 10, then I round down. Tanishka, when I round this number to the nearest 10, it will become 8,210. Is that right? Because we have a 7 in the end, and जब 7 को round off करते हैं तो 10 बन जाता है, तनिष्का. Is that right? ठीक है. और जब हमारे पास 7,773 है, इसमें जब हम 3 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? 0 बन जाएगा. ठीक है. तो 7,770 हो गया. इज दैट राइट? ठीक है. तो वो राउंड डाउन हुआ ना, 3 0 पर गया ना, 7 तो बिग हो गया था. तो मतलब हमारा राउंड डाउन होना है यहाँ पर. Hint says I round down. So can I say this option is the correct one and this is incorrect? Can I say that? ठीक है, समझ आ गया? चलो, let's move ahead. I hope everyone has understood.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Simran ma'am, you can continue.
this new kind of problem with us, we have some squares here. I'll start with the first square. Okay. So what do we have to do in this question? You can see some numbers are written outside this square also. We have 74, 72, 79, 80, 69 and 76. We have to fill the empty boxes here. Okay, we have to fill these boxes. But how will we solve it? We have to add the numbers. Suppose it's 23 and it's 25. 23 plus 25 is equal to, what will be the answer? What is 23 plus 25?
48, ma'am.
48. Okay, that means हमारे पास अभी तक 48 आंसर. But we want कि जो ये वाला जो रो है ना हमारी, उस रो में जो हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स होंगे, जब हम उन 3 नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर 74 आए. ठीक है. We want कि आंसर 74 आए. अभी तक तो we had 2 numbers तो ऑलरेडी गिवन थे. उन दोनों का आंसर आ गया हमारे पास 48. बट वी वांट कि 74 हो. तो हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? वी विल सबट्रैक्ट जो इन दोनों का सम आया है. इन दोनों का सम आया 48, तो हम 48 को 74 से सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सबट्रैक्ट करके क्या आंसर आएगा? यहाँ पे 74 को 48 से सबट्रैक्ट करो तो क्या आंसर आएगा? Siddharth, you're on mute.
Ma'am, 26.
26. So Siddharth is saying the answer is 26 and he is correct here. 74 minus 48 is 26. That means we will write 26 यहाँ पे. ठीक है. We have completed one box. यहाँ 26 है. Now the easiest thing we can do is हम इस वाले कॉलम को भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, हम इस वाले कॉलम को भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. जो ये वाला कॉलम है यहाँ पे सम करके आंसर 80 होना चाहिए और नेक्स्ट वाले कॉलम में आंसर कितना होना चाहिए? Okay, so Tanishka is saying 53. Tanishka, yes, if you add 25 and
53 minus 79.
तनिष्का देखो, जैसे यहाँ पे आप इन नंबर्स को ऐड कर रहे हो ना, आपने इन दोनों को ऐड करके 53 बताया. सो इस पूरे कॉलम का आंसर 80 होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे इनका आंसर 80. When you add all these 3 boxes, you should get 69. इन 3 boxes का आंसर 76 होना चाहिए. और अगर आप बात करते हो रोज वाइज, सो इन 3 रोज का आंसर 74, इन 3 रोज का आंसर 72 एंड इन 3 जो ये वाली नेक्स्ट है, ये वाली रो का आंसर 79. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर हाउ टू सॉल्व इट? ये स्टेप्स समझ में आए कि हमें कैसे सॉल्व करना है? एनीवन हैज एनी डाउट? Will you try it on your own or should I do first question?
No, ma'am. I don't own.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yes, sure.
27.
See, I am doing it again. So what we have to do here is we have to add the numbers. ठीक है, हमें क्या करना है? हमें हर रो के आंसर्स चाहिए. ये वाली जो रो है उसको जब हम उसके सारे नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे ना, we should get 74. So I added these 2 numbers, 23 plus 25. 23 plus 25 was 48. Okay, and then if I subtract 74 with 48, I got the answer 26. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि if I put 26 here, if I write 26 here, so 23 plus 26 plus 25 is equal to 74. The first step is clear. अब हम क्या करें? अगर हम इस रो में देखते हैं, we have 25 and 28. Tanishka said the answer here is if we add 25 and 28, we got 53. But हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें चाहिए 80. So 80 minus 53. 80 minus 53 करोगे तो आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा 27. दैट मीन्स यहाँ वाले जो बॉक्स है इसमें 27 आंसर है. ऐसे ही आपको सारे बॉक्सेस को कंप्लीट करना है, स्क्वायर को कंप्लीट करना है. बट यू शुड बी केयरफुल दैट द if you add rows or columns, you should get these answers only. Okay? Now try to do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. Let me know if anyone has any doubt in this first square.
Ma'am, which one, the down or up?
You have to solve this first square now. Shanaya, do you have any confusion? Okay. Viraj, are you solving it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arna, have you done?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay.
Simran ma'am, I think after this we can give all the other sets of boxes, magic squares to them for homework. Would
Yes.
that be okay?
Yes.
So that we can try other sets of problems too.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you help me in the second one?
Okay, in the second one, we will start with the first column. Okay, so in the first column, we have 26 and 22. What is 26 plus 22?
Ma'am, it is 48.
48. Now you will subtract it from 73. 73 minus 48 is? What is 73 minus 48?
Ma'am, I know the first column's answers.
The first square's answers. This one, Tanishka?
Yes.
Okay, okay, very good. You can try the second one. Till then, everyone will do their first question. Yes, what is 73 minus 48, Deepti?
Ma'am, 78.
Ma'am, it's 25.
25, 73
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
48 is 25. That means here we have to fill 25. Okay, now we have 25 and 29. We can find this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
And when we find this answer, we have two numbers here. We can find this answer also. And if we have this, we have two numbers. We can find this answer. And अभी ये जो मिडिल वाला है बॉक्स, उनको तो आप कैसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हो. इन टू नंबर्स को ऐड करके 77 से माइनस कर सकते हो, या 22 plus 24 को ऐड करके 67 से माइनस कर सकते हो. You will get the same answer here. And then you will find all the squares.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, so we have some answers. 48, 48, 48.
Ma'am, can you please tell me the second box answers?
Second box answers. Okay, Tanishka, have you?
No, ma'am. I am saying that can you please tell me how to do that? How we will fill the blanks?
Are you talking about this square?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Tanishka, first you have to find this answer. Okay, how will you find this answer, Tanishka?
I will do 82 I will subtract minus. I will minus 29.
No, first what will you do here? You will add 22 and 26. So 22 plus 26 is 48. And देखो तनिष्का, जो ये वाली कॉलम है ना, जो ये वाला कॉलम है, इसका आंसर 73 है. इसका मीनिंग है जब आप इन 3 नंबर्स को ऐड करोगे, यहाँ पे भी आप एक नंबर होगा, यहाँ पे भी. सो व्हेन यू ऐड द 3 नंबर्स यू विल गेट 73. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऐड दीज 2 नंबर्स और जो आंसर आएगा उसमें से आप 73 को माइनस कर दोगे. जब आप माइनस करोगे ना आंसर को, इन दोनों के एडिशन के बाद जो आंसर होगा, और फिर आप 73 से माइनस करोगे, देन यू विल फाइंड the correct answer here कि वो कौन सा नंबर है जिनको ऐड करके you will get 73. So first find which number will come here and then you have to move to the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Please complete these 2 squares and then we will move to the next question. Okay? We will give these the other 2 squares to you as homework. You have to do only these 2 squares for now.
Ma'am, I finished the first 2 squares, ma'am. But I'm unable to get the last 2 squares.
Okay, Siddharth. So in the last 2 squares, you have to guess the numbers. First, you will solve these 2 numbers. You will get the answer here, right?
Yes,
Then if you have this answer, you can add these 2 numbers and find this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Then how can you find the remaining ones?
The remaining one you will find, suppose it's 76. 76 minus this number, you will get a number. Then you have to try different ways. What will you add here? What will you put here so that the answers are accurate? So you have to try it again and again and see which number is apt here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Have you all done these 2 square questions? These first 2?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's your name?
Srikriti, ma'am.
Okay, Swikriti. Okay, so Swikriti, I think you don't know how to do this question, right? You came just now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. We will shift to the next question and then I'll tell you how to do that. Okay. I will send this question to you and we'll explain you later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Tanishka, Deepti, Arna, Achyut, Viraj, Arihant, Sia. Have you done first 2 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I got yes from someone. Who said yes?
Ma'am, I got the first 2, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Shall we move to the next question? Will you try it after the class? Okay, so we are moving to the next question now. Okay, we can ask you the answers after completing the rest of questions. So the next question is this one. Apurva ma'am, will you explain this question to everyone? We have moved to the next question now. Please concentrate on this question.
Everyone, please look on the board. You can complete the box method later, the magic squares later. Okay. So now we have to complete and find which number will come in the last star. Okay. So there is a number pattern which we have to find, and that number pattern will help us in finding, replacing the question mark. Okay. So should I give 1 minute to everyone? Does anyone want to try what is the pattern here? Because I don't want to tell directly. It is very easy. I think all of you can try. There is a number
45
pattern.
Answer.
Who is saying?
45.
Tanishka said 45. Tanishka, how did you get 45? Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. So we will
Tell.
do 17 plus 28 answers 45.
But why did you do 17 plus 28? That is my next question.
Ma'am, because see, ma'am, the difference between the first star and the third star gives our answer for the second star, ma'am.
Okay.
Same with the second star and fourth star. If we like subtracted 17 minus 6, it's 11, ma'am. That's our third star.
Okay. Okay.
Similar-
Okay. That's one way of looking at it. That's right, Siddharth. Tanishka, did you have the same reason?
Because if we will...
Ma'am, I got 45, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna. One second. Let Tanishka say. Yes, Tanishka, continue.
That was I get 54 because 45 because we will do 5 plus 6 answer will be 11. Then we will do same 17 plus 28 answer is 45.
Very nice, very nice. 45 is the correct answer. I'll explain the number pattern to everyone. Okay. What we are doing, we are adding the previous two numbers to get the next number. 5 plus 6 makes 11. 6 plus 11 is making 17. If we add 11 plus 17, that gives us 28. So 17 plus 28 will give us the next number, and the correct answer is 45. Did everyone understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? This was super easy. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Now here is another pattern which we have made with dots dice. Okay. We have a pattern in the first row. You have to complete the pattern in the second row. Okay. First three dice are related to each other. Now we have to find the third dice for the second row so that we can replace the question mark. These are the three options, A, B, and C. Can anyone try this time? Because I think this is also super easy.
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Yes. So see, what we have to do, we have to complete the dice pattern. Okay. So there is a pattern which is there in the first row. Now you have to use the same pattern to complete the second row. How are the dots filled and empty? Can you find some sort of pattern between filled dots and empty dots? I'll explain it. Don't worry, but at least try. See, in the previous question, everyone tried and I did not even need to explain it. So you'll always remember this question because you tried and you're very confident in your own answers. Anyone can try any guess. It's not a test, so we can try. Our guesses might be wrong, but we can be correct also. Who is saying? Yes, Achyut, tell. Okay, Achyut says C. A lot of people have said A is the correct option. Okay, who says A is the correct option? Can anyone explain the reason? Yes, Shanaya?
Ma'am, like it's 3 to 4, then it should be 4 to 3.
Okay. Okay, that is Shanaya's reason. Tanishka, what's your reason?
यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे तो ये भूल जाएंगे.
Tanishka, can you explain it to us?
Yes, ma'am. Answer is C because in the first dice we have 3 in the first row. Then in the second row we will put the C dice because the C dice have in 2 row there are the black dots. Then that was the answer is C.
Okay, okay. Can anyone else explain their answer? A lot of people said A is the correct option. Does anyone want to explain or should I explain my reason? Okay. Simran ma'am, can you give me the annotate option?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Yes. Okay, let's try to understand what was the correct reason and what is the correct answer. Okay, everyone, please listen carefully. In the first row, I am talking only about these three dice which I have put in the red box. I am talking about only these three. In the first dice, top row, three circles are fully shaded. They are three full black dots. In the second dice, third row, only two dots are filled. Okay, when I come to the third dice, all those dots are filled which were empty in first and second dice combined. कैसे? फर्स्ट डाइस में मिडिल रो एम्प्टी था, सेकेंड डाइस में भी मिडिल रो एम्प्टी था. ठीक है, अभी हमने देखा मिडिल रो हमारा फर्स्ट और सेकेंड डाइस में एम्प्टी था, ये वाला रो और ये वाला रो. थर्ड डाइस में वो फुल है. फर्स्ट डाइस में ये वाला यस यस वेट लेट मी कंप्लीट. फर्स्ट डाइस में लास्ट रो का लास्ट सर्कल एम्प्टी था, सेकेंड डाइस में भी लास्ट रो का लास्ट सर्कल एम्प्टी था, थर्ड डाइस में वो फुल है. सो बेसिकली ऑल दो सर्कल्स combined of first and second dice which were empty in the first and second dice. ठीक है, let's come to the second row now. Let's see what is the pattern there. If I try to use the same pattern, I am talking about the dice in red box now. फर्स्ट डाइस में टॉप रो एंड सर्कल्स आर फिल्ड, बॉटम रो एंड सर्कल्स आर फिल्ड. मतलब ये एम्प्टी है और ये एम्प्टी है. ठीक है, सेकंड डाइस पर आते हैं. हमारा मिडल रो में एंड वाले दोनों सर्कल्स फिल्ड है. मतलब एम्प्टी क्या क्या है? ये एम्प्टी है, ये एम्प्टी है और ये एम्प्टी है. तो दोनों का कॉमन एम्प्टी क्या हुआ? मिडल रो. ठीक है, तो हम अगर सेम पैटर्न फर्स्ट वाला यूज करेंगे तो ए हो जाएगा करेक्ट आंसर, क्योंकि मिडल रो फिल्ड है. ठीक है, सो ऑल दोज हु सेड ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, दे आर करेक्ट. तनिष्का, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड मैंने क्या पैटर्न यूज किया? फर्स्ट और सेकंड के एम्प्टी डॉट्स को कंबाइन करके थर्ड डॉट्स में जहां पे फिल हो रहा है उसको मैंने करेक्ट आंसर बोला. Everyone understood? Should we move ahead? Okay, let's move ahead. Simran ma'am, you can move ahead.
Ma'am, can you explain once more, ma'am, please?
Yes, I will explain one more time. Krishna, was that you?
Yes.
Okay, let me explain again. कृष्णा देखो, फर्स्ट रो में क्या हो रहा था, अभी मैं रेड बॉक्स बना रही हूँ. In my red box there are 3 dice. ठीक है कृष्णा, now listen carefully. फर्स्ट डाइस में हमारे पास 3 circles filled हैं. ठीक है, when I come to second dice, last row 2 circles are filled, right? Is that right? And when I come to third row, all those circles are filled जो first और second dice में empty थे. फर्स्ट डाइस में क्या क्या empty था? ये empty था और ये empty था और ये भी empty थे. लेकिन जब मैं सेकेंड डाइस पे जंप हुई तो ये दोनों सर्कल्स फिल हो गए. तो कॉमन एम्प्टी सर्कल्स क्या हुए? ये वाली लाइन और ये वाला सर्कल. इज दैट राइट? ओके, सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई फिल्ड दोस 4 सर्कल्स इन द थर्ड डाइस. करेक्ट. I am using the same pattern in the next row. Okay, I clear it. Let's come to the second row. Krishna, when I talk about the first dice, all the 4 corner circles are filled, right? So what is empty? This middle row is empty and these 2 circles are empty. Okay, now when I come to the second dice, this circle is filled, this circle is filled. So what is the common empty space? This line, right? The middle line, it is empty in the first and the second. So the correct answer must be A, because it has filled all those circles which were empty in the A and B part, right? Got it? Krishna, got it? Okay, thanks. Chalo, let's move ahead.
Ma'am, I'm unable to mute myself. Ma'am, can you mute me?
Simran ma'am, you can mute Pranav.
Okay. So this is our next question. We have a triangle here. Okay. This triangle is called Pascal's triangle. Okay. We call it as Pascal's triangle, and we have a number pattern followed in this triangle. In every row, if you look at it very carefully, there is a pattern. So I am giving 1 minute to every one of you. Just observe कि क्या pattern use हो रहा है. हर row में कुछ change आ रहा है. Okay. Every row has some change in it. So observe this triangle carefully and एक बार कोशिश करो और बताओ कि क्या pattern follow हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, I have already got the pattern. Can I please tell you?
Yes, Siddharth. Okay.
Ma'am, on the first block, there is 1 right, ma'am.
Yes.
And on the second row, he gave 2 ones.
Okay.
So if we add the 2 ones, then directly in its middle, we got 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2.
Okay, so according to Siddharth, here we had 1 and here we had 1, and 1 plus 1 makes 2, and it comes in middle of 1 and 1. Yes, now
And then again if we add 1 plus 2, we get 3, ma'am.
okay.
And this is with 2 plus 1, 3.
Right. 2 plus 1, 3, and 1 plus 2, 3. After that?
After that, we get 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, ma'am.
Exactly. So you are right, Siddharth. Very nice. So this is a Pascal's triangle. यहाँ पे क्या है? We have two numbers. When we add those two numbers, we get the answer here. 1 plus 1, 2. In the next row, we will put 1. Then the answer is here. Then again 1. Then we will add these numbers and like this. Suppose we were on 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. If you look at the next step, 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. And 4 plus 1, 5, right? Am I right here? Is this pattern clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So here, what you all have to do is, we were on 7th row, right? This is number 7. You have to write the next pattern, okay? You have to complete the next row. Which numbers will come after this 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7 and 1. So you have to add these numbers one by one and find the answers for the next row. Okay? Is it understood? You just have to add the numbers one by one. 1 plus 7, you get the answer. 7 plus 21, answer. 21 plus 35, answer. So here you have to find the next row. Try to do it.
And please say your answer only once you have found all the 9 numbers, okay? 9 numbers will come in the next row, all the 9 numbers, because this is the last question we are doing. Find all the 9 numbers and then write your answer in the chat box, or otherwise you can raise your hand. If anyone has any doubt, Simran ma'am can explain again.
Yes.
Answer, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay. We will wait for others.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I too got the answer, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Okay, Arna. Okay, very good, everyone. If anyone has any confusion, they can ask me.
Ma'am, should we do the next row also, ma'am?
Yes, if you want, you can try.
We would be very happy if you can complete the next row as well.
Okay, Raika's answer. We have Raika's answers here in the chat. Yes, Raika, your answers are right. Very nice.
Can everyone please turn on their videos? I said that in the beginning also. That would be very easy. Thanks. Neil, Pranav, Tanvi. We have 2 Pranavs here. Raika, Arna, Siddharth. Thanks.
I just want to add one thing here. When we find the answer, suppose I'm telling the first one, you all know that 1 plus 7 is 8. You write 8 here, and here also the answer was 8. You have to write 1 at the beginning also and 1 at the end also. Okay? You can observe the pattern in every row. 1 is written in every row, in the starting also and ending also. So you can find 7 answers and then 1 and 1 will be added on both the sides. Okay, so you should be careful with that.
Ma'am, I also finished the second row. So can I post the answers?
You can send the answers in chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Just yes,
Ma'am, it is 8 because it is 1 plus 7 like that. It is 8, ma'am.
yes. It's like that, Pranav. Correct answers, Viraj. Sia also has given some.
I sent you the second row, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am.
That's right.
Ma'am, I accidentally wrote 700.
700. Yeah, it's okay. I understood that. No problem.
Yeah, I was going to say that only.
Yes.
Is everyone done?
Ma'am, I've done. I can say I can't type it.
Okay, sure, Tanishka, say it. Simran, we can stop sharing the screen and we can, listen to their answers for a while.
1 plus 8 is 9.
Okay.
And 28 plus 56 is 36.
Okay.
And 8 plus 28 is 36. 28 and 56 is 83. 56 and 70 is 126. 70 and 56 is 126. 56 and 28 is 83.